you can see how clearly is my oil. Now we can open. It's instantly open. So okay, we can transfer this oil now into another jug. But before that, we will need a jug first where we can transfer that one. Okay, as you can see. And then we will need a sieve again. Okay, in the sieve we will need a filter. This one is actually just a base refreshing towel. So I just wash that one and dry it, and I put it here just to filter it nicely. And then what we're gonna do is just scoop this one, scoop the oil slowly and put it here. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. So everything will be filtered out like that, and let it drop slowly, like just like that. So everything will be left clearly. Okay. As you can see, so this filtering of using this paper towel, or what you can call this a wipes, it really works great. As you can see, it's a beautiful. How many ml that we have now? Let us see. Oh, okay, so you get a 50 ml for how many? Small 3 small coconut. Hey, so that will be great for using for the skin, or making soap, or just use for something on cosmetic. That will be very great. So here it is. Now you learn how to make an homemade and virgin coconut oil. So I hope that it helps